Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, a Master Teacher of Chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to the third, that is final session of Sprint Nuclear Structure of the Atom. So we will be discussing some very important questions related to this chapter, Structure of the Atom. But before that, here is a very important announcement. So we all want to learn in a platform where all of your doubts gets instantly solved. You will get the proper notes. Once you read it, you will know how to answer a question in the exam. So it is very important. You like it when someone gives you attention. So when you know that someone is caring, and you can always reach out to them. So all these things and much more are available on our platform. So we want to make sure, we want to tell you that we are with you and we will be there with you till the end. So how about you take up the pro subscription and you will be getting 50% offer up to 1,500 rupees only. It will be available only till 14th Feb. So go through the description. You will find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you are interested, take up the pro subscription. Use the coupon code SURPRO. Structure of atoms. So what are the important topics? You should know what are atoms and the discovery of the subatomic particles, the limitations of Dalton's atomic theory, very important, discovery of subatomic particles, atomic models, electronic configuration, the valency, atomic number and mass number, isotopes, isobars, their applications. So this is the entire schedule, but we are done with this matter around us, pure atoms and molecules. If you have not watched the video yet, go back and watch it. So this is our last session, that is structure of atom. And people, if you are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I am live or we are premiering the videos. Yes, did you do it? Good. Chalo. And these are the lovely comments under our first sprint, I guess. Yeah. First session of Sprint Nuclear by our Suru Akka. Can't wait, yaar. Okay, so you have answered for the homework question as well. Suspensions are unstable in nature, whereas colloids are, because the particle size, right? The range will be from 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Harshit, he has also answered. Very good, thank you so much. Dipendra, suspension are unstable in nature, colloids are stable. Very good. Khushi, colloidal particles pass through filter paper but not through the parchment paper because of the particle size, right? Sivadarshana, thank you so much. Thank you, people. Thank you so much for those lovely comments. It will motivate us to do better. You have got to get up every morning with determination if you are going to bed with satisfaction, right? Okay, I had a very good day. I did what I wanted to, and whatever I did, it turned out to be great, right? That satisfaction when you sleep. So I don't know about other jobs, but this teaching gives you satisfaction. So I always go to bed with a huge smile. I'm like, yeah, I spoke to my students, I taught them, and they were happy. That made me happy. So it is very important to get up with a determination also. Okay, what I am gonna do. So I am gonna, okay, whatever it is. Okay, if you want to finish one chapter as soon as you wake up, because you will have the plan ready, right? You will know. So I have to finish this first chapter, atoms and molecules. So I will practice the question papers. Yes. So that determination is very important. That will help you to complete your task. Got it? Okay then. So let's get started. This is the first question. Which of the following statements about Rutherford's model of an atom are correct? So total marks is 1. Time in examination you will get around 2 to 3 minutes, but in sprint, you'll get only 1 minute. Consider the nucleus was positively charged. Establish that the alpha particles are 4 times as heavy as a hydrogen atom. He didn't establish that. Can be compared to solar system. I don't think he mentioned it. Was in agreement with Thomson's model. Not at all. So the right answer would be 1 only. Very good. Yay, high five. So now, question number 2. Which one of the following is a correct electronic configuration of sodium? we know how to write the electronic configuration, right? Because K shell may we can have 2 electrons. Let me change the color. Okay, done. And L may 8. Right? So what is the atomic number of sodium? It is 11. So I'll add 2 electrons to the K shell. L may 8 electrons, and last one remaining, I'll just put it to the M shell. So 2, 8, 1, where is the right option? This one, no? Very good. We took less than 30 seconds, right? Bingo, very good. So question number 3, this is for 2 marks. But sprint may, so we will try to solve it within 60 seconds. On the basis of Thomson's model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. So even though he couldn't explain about the presence of nucleus or anything, he could explain the electrical neutrality of an atom, right? What he said was the magnitude of the positive and the negative charges equal in an atom, so that will explain about the electrical neutrality of an atom. So even though, so according to him, so this was the model, so positives pure and the negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. So when we look at it, we feel like, okay, so positive charge will be greater compared to the negative charge, but he did mention that the magnitude, that is the total amount of positive charge, is equal to the amount of negative charge. Thus an atom is electrically neutral. Got it? Chal. Question number 4, explain with examples atomic number, mass number. So what is atomic number, what is mass number? So these are two terms which we often use in chemistry. So atomic number, see, so how do you define it? So atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So I have already explained why we cannot take a number of electrons as the atomic number, because I agree in an atom where it is electrically neutral, the number of protons will be equal to the number of electrons, but still you cannot define atomic number using the number of electrons, because electron number, it is a variable. An atom can lose an electron, gain electron, but removing proton, no. So atomic number, how can you define it? Atomic number is the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. And mass number is, that is denoted by the letter A, the total sum of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is mass number. So mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. Okay, so as they have asked you to explain with examples, give one. So for example, the atomic number of sodium is 11 because it has 11 protons in it, number of protons. And mass number, the mass number of carbon is 12 because it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. That's how you can write an example and the definition so that you can score 2 marks. Very good, easy peasy, right? Easy as a pie. Next question is, explain with examples isotopes and isobars. See, my students, you will be confused with this, right? Most of you, at least. Okay, so isotopes, isobars. Okay, let me just tell you. Pan, what exactly is pan? Those are pan. So isotopes, this is isobars, this is isotones. We have these 3 terms and it is kind of confusing. Okay ji, so isotopes, topes mean what will be same, the number of protons, that is atomic number will be same and mass number will be different. And in isobars, okay, A, that is the mass number will be same. A, mass number is A, no? And in case of isotones, the number of neutrons will be same. So how can you explain isotopes? So isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. And isobars, for example, isotopes ka example chlorine 3537. The atomic number is same 1717, but what about the mass number? It is 3537. And in case of isobars, the atoms with different atomic number belonging to different elements but having the same mass number, they are called as isobars. For example, we have calcium and argon. Okay, so where it is the atomic numbers are different but the mass number is 40. Done? Easy, no? You got it? So you can actually use this to remember. See what is same. If you know what is same, then you can aram se write what will be different. है ना? Isotopes में atomic number will be same. Atomic number is number of protons. And what will be different? Mass number. Isobars में it is ulta. Mass number will be same but the atomic number will be different. Okay, so examples of the isotopes, if you wish to write, you can actually even add those points also. That is how the isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactors or the iodine isotope is used to cure the goiter in the treatment of goiter. So wanna join us, gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks? I have already told you, you will be getting 50% offer. So if you are still not convinced, why should I get it? Then listen to me. Unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. So as per, I know you love quizzes, right? Because every day but the moment I start the session, you know, I'll be still saying hi. You'll be like, Menti hai kya? Menti kab hoga? Menti hai kya? Kab hoga? Right? So here, once you are a pro subscriber, there will be quizzes every single day. You will be competing with the students all over the world, and even when you're watching the replay, you can still play the quiz. Which is not possible here. And after every session, assignments will be shared with you. If you're stuck somewhere, you know, the next session the teachers will, you know, take those questions and solve it for you. We will have class teachers who are there just to solve all of your doubts. That means all of your doubts gets instantly solved there, which is a very nice thing. Hai? You will get the handwritten notes of the master teachers after every session. And because we always look for those extra things, so along with that, you will get all these free micro courses, crash courses, or whatever the new course Vedantu has launched. It will be absolutely free for you. So what are you waiting for, people? Go and take up the pro subscription. The link is available in the description and in the pinned comment. But only if you use the coupon code SURPRO, you will be getting 50% offer up to 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees, yes, I said it right. So leave late now. So the amount, I mean the price per class you will be paying will be less than a Parle-G. Parle-G costs 5 rupees, no? Oh, I love Parle-G and coffee, by the way. That's the best combination. Okay, question number 6. This is for 2 marks. If number of electrons in an atom is 8, and number of protons is also 8, okay, then what is the atomic number of the atom? So we know what is atomic number. The number of protons is atomic number. So atomic number to 8 hoga ji. What is the charge of the atom? So look at it carefully. Number of electrons is equal to 8. Number of protons is also 8. So positive charge is equal to negative charge. So the atom will be neutral. No charge. 0. Easy peasy, right? So you got 2 marks. And we didn't even take 1 minute. But when you're writing it, please be careful. That is, number of electrons is equal to 8. Number of protons is equal to 8. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. So 8 is the atomic number of the atom. The second is, what is the charge of an atom? So as the number of electrons is equal to number of protons, it will be neutral. The 7th question is, this is for 2 marks. An element A has valency plus 3 while another element B has valency minus 2. Give the formula of their compound formed when A reacts with B. That's the question. Okay. So time in exam you will get 3 to 5 minutes, but we'll try to solve it within 2 minutes. So A has the valency plus 3. I'll write it down. B ka hoga minus 2. So we know how to write the chemical formula. Crisscross method and ignore the charges. So it will be A2, B3. Right? So that will be the answer. So please, when you are writing this question, when you are answering these kind of questions, so as it is asked for 2 marks, first write down, okay, element ka valency A ka valency hai plus 3. and element B's valence is -2. Then crisscross method, the chemical formula is A2B3. So you should write that. If you are directly answering A2B3, you will get only 1 mark. Got it? So 8th question is, this is for 3 marks. List 3 observations of the experiment performed by Rutherford for his model of an atom. So what happened when the alpha particles were made to fall on the thin gold foil? That's the question. Okay. So what were the first observation? Most of the alpha particles pass straight through the gold foil without showing any deflections or undeflected. That's the first. And second one is few of the alpha particles, they did deflect by small angles. So the third one will be very few, that is 1 out of 12,000 alpha particles, they appear to rebound. That is at 180-degree one. Okay, so these are the 3 observations. Say results, if you write, okay, the nucleus is at the center, the mass is concentrated, that is the result. Observation is when he conducted the experiment, what could he see? So these are the 3 observations. So if you write them, you will get 3 marks, full marks. Question number 9 is describe Bohr's model of the atom. So this is for 3 marks. Then I would want you to write all the points which you know. First, according to him, what he said was not all the energy level or the orbits are allowed inside an atom, only discrete orbits with fixed amount of energy. Okay, first one, and nucleus is at the center, the electrons are revolving around it in the discrete orbits. So whenever, as long as the electrons are revolving around the nucleus or when they are staying in that particular orbit, there won't be any radiation. Okay, so they won't emit energy. So when they go to the higher energy state, there will be absorption of energy. When they come back to the lower energy state, there will be emission of energy. So first, atom has nucleus in the center, electrons revolve around the nucleus, certain special orbits known as the discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. While revolving around, the electrons do not radiate any energy. These orbits or shells, they are called as energy levels, and these are the shells. So for 3 marks, this will be more than sufficient. Yes? So question number 10, if bromine atom is in the form of, say, 2 isotopes, say, 35 bromine 79 is the mass number, 35 is its atomic number, so the percentage abundance is 49.7%, and 35 bromine 81 and bromine 79, so it is abundance is 50.3%. Then calculate the average atomic mass. So we know the formula. So average atomic mass is equal to, so this is for 3 marks. So I want you to write the formula first, then substitute it, and then figure out the answer, and then I want you to write. So therefore the average atomic mass of bromine is, so is equal to, we know, so the mass number into percentage abundance. Okay, so we don't want that percentage, so you will divide it by 100. If they have given the ratio 3:1, 2:3 and all that, then you don't have to worry about it. So plus again the mass number into the percentage composition or abundance. So in order to remove that percentage, I will divide it by 100. So now the answer will be 79 into 49.7 divided by 100 plus 81 into 50.3 divided by 100. So simplify it, the answer will be around 80 point something. Okay, so you can take 100 as the common denominator and solve it so that it will be easy for you. But as this is for 3 marks, I want you to follow all the steps and then answer. So with this we are done. We have covered all these important topics: atom, limitations of Dalton's atomic theory, discovery of subatomic particles, atomic models, electronic configuration, the valency, atomic number and mass number. And here the limitations of Dalton's atomic theory is not there in this chapter. So it's the limitations of the atomic theories. Okay. For example, we have Rutherford and the Thomson's atomic model. That's what it is. Here is your homework question. What are the limitations of J.J. Thomson's model of the atom? One sentence. Okay, so make sure to write it in the comment section so that I can just like it or go through it. So previous session was on 12th Feb, that is yesterday. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not watched it, go back and watch it. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And let me tell you, we are with you till the end. So to show that, so there is this 50% off up to 1,500 rupees. You will be saving a lot. So the link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Use the coupon code SURPRO for additional discount. So you do the mathematic calculations. So it is lesser than a Parle-G biscuit packet. That's nice. So thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and click on the bell icon. If you have any queries, doubts, feel free to reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.